So when the Panditji asked me ki khade ho jao, fere lene hain, I was like, I feel the lehenga is so huge and the mandap is too small, but nobody took me seriously. When I started taking that fera, I was almost hitting the fireplace and everything. Everyone panicked. Hi, Red Me Good. This is Arushi Sharma, and you're watching me on Red Me Good Wedding Revive. So, being a Pahari girl, most of our functions are all about food and dance. And in Himachal, we have our own cuisine, if I can call it that, where we serve around 8 to 10 dishes, and we call it dham. After food's done, then we dance. And it's called Nati. It's a folk dance in Himachal. And we just let go and dance. That's it. And two of our functions, which was Mehendi and Dham, we did at our parents' place in Shimla. And then when that was done, we shifted to this beautiful property at Chel. It's called Welcome Hotel by ITC. And when I started hunting for a location, we were not getting anything because 18th of April, there were so many weddings happening. And I had almost given up that we are not going to get anything. But suddenly this property, somebody suggested, which was a fairly new property. And when I reached there, when I stepped out of the car, I saw the place, first of all, and I knew that this is the energy that I want for my wedding. I could only hear birds chirping and the rustling leaves sounds and all of that. And I knew that, this is the place away from the city in isolation, amidst the mountains, clear skies. So I knew that this is the place that I want my wedding to be. So I am not one of those girls who had ever imagined or envisioned कि मेरा लहंगा ऐसा होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. So I went on with clean slate. And this was the second lehenga that I tried on me. And I knew that this is the lehenga, this is the vibe that I want. But still I kept searching for more and more and more and more lehengas, and I kept trying, but it was in my mind that, this is the lehenga for me. And my lehenga and cocktail dress, both luckily I found by the designer Rachit Khanna. Amazingly beautiful. It gave me that princessy look. It, elevated the entire mood. So I feel, completely happy and pure. The most memorable moment for me would be the Varmala. Walking down the aisle, and it's a very emotional moment. And I could see Vaibhav, in front of me, and each step I was taking, it felt like a generation. So I knew that we are going to be, getting married in the backdrop of the mountains and sunsets. So I wanted both of our outfits to be complementing that, in sync with the nature and not overpowering the element of purity and serenity. And I think that's what, governed how we chose our outfits as well. A wedding is a very, very significant and special day for every bride, and everyone has some sort of vision, in their minds. I feel what I can advise the brides is that do not take everything on your own shoulders. Delegate duties to, people around you. Take help of your friends, your cousins, your friends and family, everyone, so that when it comes to the execution, at least okay, you have people who can take care of it. Because I was taking care of everything. I became a control freak. I was taking care of the DJ wala, the Varmala ka color, even the choreography and everything. So I think it was too much. And I feel it's very important for every bride to be present in the moment, enjoy, talk to people, socialize, communicate how you're feeling with everyone, eat a lot, relax. I think that's something that I would like to suggest to every bride. When I started taking that fera, I was almost hitting the fireplace and everything. Everyone panicked. So I had to take help from everyone, especially Vaibhav. He was so panicky that, the lehenga should not catch fire or something. But I was laughing throughout because I know, every bride has to wear these huge lehengas, jewelry, and everything, but that's the price that we have to pay at the end of the day. But I think it's every bride needs help. That's something that I learned from that incident. If you're a bride to be, do not forget to download Wed Me Good app.